Harissa, the crown jewel of Tunisia's culinary treasures. It's a rich blend of chili peppers, garlic, and exotic spices. This trend-setting sauce derives its name from the Arabic language meaning to crush or to grind, a fitting tribute to the fiery concoction it becomes. For over 4 centuries, this vibrant sauce has been cultivated, crafting its unique identity in the region of Tunisia in North Africa. Historically, harissa's journey began during the 16th century when the Spanish introduced red peppers to Tunisia. Harissa was crowned the main condiment of Tunisia and exports a staggering 15,000 tons of harissa annually to over 40 countries. It's used in everyday cuisine, much like ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise is used in the United States. At its core, harissa is a blend of red chilies and olive oil with spices like cumin, caraway seeds, garlic, coriander, and even mint. Regionalisms can often impact the many flavors of harissa, which can create a smoky flavor from the addition of roasted fresh chilies to sharp and tangy when citrus juice or vinegar is added. The texture can also range from thick and paste-like to a thin sauce. From cozy gatherings to grand feasts, harissa finds its place on the Tunisian, Israeli, Moroccan, and Algerian table and abroad, enhancing couscous, meats, fishes, sauces, mayonnaise, and salads. If it's your first time cooking with harissa, you might look for versions on the more mild side to work your way up to something with more heat. When it comes to what dishes really showcase harissa's nuanced layers, try making a chicken dish. When used in the same way you'd use hot sauce, chili paste, or fresh peppers, you'll soon find harissa as part of your condiment utility belt. Thanks for watching. Share in the comments what condiment you'd like us to dive into next. Till next time, stay saucy, my friends.